Kanish Satpayev Street is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan city in Almaty district. The street runs from Pushkin Street to Obagan Street, crossing Boljan Momoshola, Bimbet Mailin, Kyshedina, Kajimukan Streets. Street length is 1,157 meters. Real name of Kanish Satpayev is Gabdulgani. Satpayev is a scientist, geologist, doctor of science in geology and mineralogy, professor, academician. He initiated opening of Science Academy of Kazakhstan SSR, was elected its first president. Satpayev is the founder of Soviet and Kazakhstan Metallurgy, first academician of Kazakh origin. Kanish Satpayev Street is home for Lev Gumilov Eurasian National University, dorms of Oner University, Jaile Shopping Mall. Satpayev Street also hosts one of the biggest shopping malls in Nur-Sultan city, Eurasia. The mall has been working for 20 years and is located in a densely populated district where 44% of the city population lives.